marching to new heights of development under the dynamic and young leadership of Dr. Pramod Sawant. A visionary leader, a meticulous administrator, tirelessly working on the dream to take Goa ahead. Goa Ahead is brought to you by the Department of Information and Publicity, Government of Goa.
Hello and welcome. One more thumping win in elections for the BJP and the Congress struggling for survival. Now let us move towards today's topic, Phase 1 of Goa's municipal election results.
Less than 3 months after its robust performance in rural Goa in the Zilla Panchayat polls, the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) continued to take advantage of an opposition in disarray and stamped its political dominance in urban and semi-urban civic body polls. BJP supported formation splendidly won majorities in 5 of the 6 municipal councils and the Corporation of the City of Panji (CCP). Only in Konkani, the panel floated by Yuri Alima, the son of former minister Joachim Alima, emerged victorious. The cynosure of all eyes, however, was the state's sole municipal corporation in the capital, where the combined political juggernaut of Panji MLA Atanasio Montserrat and the BJP rolled to clinch a splendid win back in 25 of the 30 seats. The rival joint opposition panel, Ami Ponjekar panel, manages 4 seats and 1 ward was won by an independent. The BJP wasted no time in announcing that the party will form councils in the CCP and 5 of the 6 municipalities. According to the BJP state president Sadanand Sheth Tanavde, the breakup of seats won by BJP-backed candidates is CCP 25 of 30 seats, Warpai all 10 seats, Pennem 8, Bicholi 10 of 14 seats, Kurchoren 11 of 15 seats, Kankona all 12 seats, and Kunkoli 5 of 14 seats. Overall, the BJP and supported candidates won 85 seats, which is nearly 81% of the total 105 municipal seats for which polls were held and results declared on Monday, Tanaude added. Regardless of unrest within party, BJP backed Montserrat panel that a thrilling show in Panji Corporation election, gaining over 47% of the total votes polled. While BJP managed to retain their traditional seats, they now also have hold over Montserrat's stronghold. However, undoubtedly this is not victory of BJP but Montserrat, who is known as uncrowned king of CCP. 5 seating councillors had to face defeat, 3 of whom had contested on BJP panel, while 1 a BJP loyalist who rebelled against party. CCP new council will be combination of some old guards and new faces. 2 ex-mayors and 2 deputy mayors are part of the panel. Montserrat's son Rohit had made his entry into politics by winning local body election.
We are party men. I owe this victory to our Bharatiya Janata Party. It is because of their support that we could win this seat.
The BJP claimed a sweep as all 10 candidates backed by the party won elections at the Warpai Municipal Council. The BJP-backed candidates won 6 seats while 4 independent candidates won in remaining 4 wards in 10-member Pennem Municipal Council PMC elections. As many as 7 sitting councillors were re-elected, while 8 new faces were elected in 15-member Kurchorim Kakora Municipal Council (CCMC) on Monday. A Jubilant Power Minister, Nilesh Cabral, said except for 2 sitting councillors who lost the elections, 7 sitting councillors who had contested the election were re-elected and affirmed that the people in Kurchorim Kakora are with BJP. The BJP took control of the Bichore Municipal Council (BMC) by winning 9 of the 14 seats and extended its tally when 1 independent councillor pledged his support to the party. The electorate delivered major surprises at the Kankona Municipal Council (CMC) elections on Monday, voting into power as many as 8 new faces and rejecting 3 ex-chairpersons in the 12-member council. The Congress, under the banner of Joachim and Yuri Alema, made a clean sweep in the election for the 14-member Konkani Municipal Council, as the ruling BJP suffered a major jolt in its determined bid to wrest control of the civic body. While the Congress camp emerged victorious with a clear mandate, winning in 9 of the 14 wards of the B-class council, the BJP had to be content with just 4 seats.
Undoubtedly, the BJP-backed panel sweep the 5 municipalities and a corporation. But the question is, can we call it as a party victory? While in Valpoi, Kurchare and Panji, you certainly have to dedicate the victory to Vishwajit Rane, Kabral and Montserrat. In Bicholem and Pernem, it was party stronghold. The BJP needs to retrospect and assess the election results as to understand how many really voted to the lotus symbol. Vrishang Mahatme for Goa Ahead.
And to talk about these municipal election results, I have 4 eminent panelists with me in the studio. First, I have political analyst and senior lawyer Radharao Gracias with me. Radharao, welcome. Next to him is senior leader of the BJP and spokesperson Subhash Faldesai. Subhash, welcome. Third, I have with me leader of Aam Aadmi Party and their spokesperson Advocate Surel Tilve. Surel, welcome. And last but definitely not the least, senior leader of the Congress Party and their spokesperson Trajan De Mello. Trajan, welcome. Radha, I'll start with you. You have seen the results, you have seen the victory rallies of the BJP. What do you make of it? After Zilla Panchayat elections, consecutively BJP has won the first phase of the municipal elections also.
No, I would not say that the BJP has won, because officially they were not elections on party lines. And there were panels floated by individual BJP leaders like Babush in Panjim, or Rani in Satari, in Valpoi, and so on. So these are panels where there is cross-voting and there are people who have voted on all sides. See, probably the BJP did not contest on party lines because you would have to antagonize your own party workers who may not get tickets at the local level. So there have been people contesting from all sides. But generally what happens in Goa is, after the elections, all the winners gravitate towards the party in power. So irrespective of which panel you belong to, I would expect all the mayors to be owing allegiance to the BJP, except perhaps in Konkoli, where Yuri Alema may have a hold on those 9 or 10 elected on his panel.
Surel, how do you look at it? Are you happy with the performance of your party, or you feel that a lot needs to be done? This is not the time to be comfortable.
No, we are happy with the results, but yes, we should not be comfortable and we should work hard, because as we see the results, we have a vote share of around 32% in CCP, that is Corporation of Panjim. There we got a vote share for V Panjikar panel of 32%. 4 seats were won, and 7 seats we lost by margin of around 50 votes. And in 1 seat it was by 1 vote, and in another seat where our advocate Melissa Simoes was contesting, she lost by 23 votes. So we look at this as a good result in favor of us, because we were contesting for the first time. Secondly, the main thing is that with a compromised state election commissioner, BJP tried to play a foul play in this election. This was not a fair and free election. And secondly, BJP had no guts to fight elections on party lines.
Trajan Bab, how do you look at these results? Very worrying signs for the Congress?
It is a message to our leaders. Our party president has admitted that it is a collective responsibility. Now, who is the collective responsibility? They know it. And
you guys always admit it, but nothing happens thereafter.
No, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Don't jump the gun. There's a lot, 8-10 months are left.
Okay.
Congress is the option. This is the signal, because we are existing everywhere. And Surel Tilve has very clearly now spoke only about Panjekar, and they are nowhere else.
Okay.
And even V Panjekar does not belong to them.
Okay. Subhash Bab, is the party happy with the results? I know the bravado is one thing, but if you look at these results, and a substantial amount of seats have been won by the opposition when the opposition is in complete disarray. How is your party looking at these results?
We are very comfortable and we are also happy with the results, because out of let us say 6 municipal councils, we have gained 5 of them and 1 corporation of city of Panjim. And if you look at the results shows that not even put together all the opposition could not make the 1/4 of it, whereas out of 105 seats, council seats,
The opposition is
including-
not at all united.
no, opposition united or whatever it is, if at all. Opposition was united, not only opposition, all the parties besides, if you consider that BJP against all the party. In this circumstances, in this scenario also, they could not put together 1/4 of that their
Radha
success.
has an interesting point that as far as your party is concerned, you cannot attribute this success solely to your party because you chose not to fight these elections on party lines. Largely the credit goes to the individuals.
If that is the strategy, then I would say that, I would say that who has stopped them putting, Radha also said that there were no only individual panels floated by some of the BJP leaders. It was open to everybody. Why Congress has not come forward? Why Aam Aadmi has not come forward and made their panel? Where do you see the panel
not
of
only your
anybody?
party that desisted from fighting
Who
these
has
elections
stopped
on
them?
party lines?
No, no,
Everybody
this is
was shy of
absolutely
fighting on party lines.
This is absolutely, they are finding the escape route to go away from that, to fool the people saying that BJP has managed all these elections. It is not so.
Why are you only saying BJP is not contesting on party lines, that other parties did not even put up a panel?
No, what I have not said BJP is not contesting. The problem is BJP is the government. And BJP has not permitted municipal elections on party lines. So where's the question of contesting on party lines? The law should have been parties can file nominations, then parties would have filed nominations. You have prevented that precisely because you didn't want to antagonize your own workers by depriving them tickets.
No, BJP was not performing so well in the right from when Dr. Pramod Sawant has taken up. People would have taken revenge of that and they would have shown the place to BJP. That means when all the people come together and gives us such a big victory and a margin, then
Subhash, are you saying that the ZP elections and this phase 1 elections over a municipal council make it abundantly clear that all is well?
Yes. And the people have shown the faith and they are comfortable with this government and they would likely to give another opportunity in the assembly sessions.
Well, question in a while. Surel, very pertinent issues raised by Rajan Bab, that how can you claim this as your victory? They had dear leaders in the panel. At the same time, do not try to chew more than you can bite. That's what Rajan Bab is saying. Do you agree with him?
Yes, definitely. These elections were not on party lines. So attributing this victory to a particular party is not a good sign. Now my point was that we were part of this V. Panjekar panel. Yes, it consisted of different political parties. But Congress had not supported this V. Panjekar panel. In fact, Melissa Simoes lost by 23 votes, wherein Congress has put one candidate who got 88 votes. If Congress
You are saying Congress defeated your candidate?
Yeah, definitely. Congress put only one candidate in that particular ward where Melissa was there to defeat Melissa.
Again, do you agree with this, that this was a referendum on Pramod Sawant's performance and he has passed with flying colors?
No, not at all. This was a referendum on performance of the previous municipal councils at the most.
No, they are saying even ZP elections and as well as this election.
No, because the issues are limited and assembly election issues would be different.
Subhash Bab, now we come to the phase 2 of municipal elections. And at least out of these 5 municipalities, which are big municipalities, on 3 there is a very, very bitter contest because of the Supreme Court judgment, the legal battle that was fought. Is your party confident that the results will be in your favor the way they were in phase 1? Because there are 3 municipalities where the leaders of the Congress, towards whom you are pointing fingers, are putting up a very, very strong panel.
I strongly believe, and definitely I would say that all those remaining municipalities that will come to BJP, because I say that there is the opposition cannot come together. If you look at their statements every day, you will find lots of gaps amongst the Congress, amongst the other parties also, when they are not united. And the performance of the BJP government and the candidates that we have fielded will definitely perform well, and we will come out with again the way we have won the ZP election, the way we have shown our performance in the municipal elections. These remaining five also we will get in all municipal council. We will form the municipal councils.
Yeah, Radhabab, how do you look at these 5 municipal councils? Because yeah, there at least in three municipalities, there is a very, very bitter fight put up by the Congress leaders.
No, I would think that these elections, particularly of Margaon, Mapsa and Mormugao, these could be indicative of the future to come a year hence from the assembly election, because these are the areas which are contested areas. See, whereas Pedne, Satari, you take it is Rani's fiefdom. So all these areas are irrelevant. Now these are the three main towns of Goa. Yeah. Apart from Panjim, Mapsa, Mormugao and Margaon represent the basic strength of Goa. So results here will could determine what the future assembly in Goa could be. So I think we should pay a little more attention to these three.
Rajan Bab?
I just contribute something.
Yeah.
When Radhabab says that if these three municipalities will show what people are going to do,
where the wind is blowing.
But he's just neglecting all that victory that BJP has got. Initially, he says that they do not have funds. No matter who wins the ZP election, no matter all other 6 and Panjim city of Panjim corporation. So it doesn't matter, and it cannot decide the fate of BJP in the coming election. But only these three will say that the pulse of the people cannot be seen only in these three. When we have won all this, and it is totally
you have to consider all the results.
Yeah.
Okay, Trajan,
why only this Margaon,
Mormugao,
or this Mapsa will decide the fate?
Rajan Bab, how do you look at these 5 municipalities? At least in 3 there is a contest. How is your party looking at it? Hopeful that at the end of these are the last elections before the assembly elections. Is your party confident that you will be able to make some mark? Rajan Bab?
I don't know whether I am confident, provided the president has said that they take the collective responsibility for the defeat. Now, will the same old people only work out the strategy for these coming elections will have to be watched. And if the same old people take the same strategies, then we may lose, not because the people are not with us, because we are not following and adopting a proper strategy. Now, who is deciding the candidates?
Because you are not course correcting.
We should.
Yeah.
The president is come on because there is a collective responsibility of a failure. So therefore, the course correction is become a must.
Yeah.
Now, and if it is not done, God save the party.
Surel, Subhash Bab also mentioned the united opposition. And you guys have been consistently saying that there cannot be united opposition. And it looks like BJP is heavily banking on that factor, that the opposition will not be united, the votes will be split. How is your party looking at these 5 municipal elections, and from the point of view of united opposition, do you guys completely believe that there is no way all the anti-BJP parties can come together on a single plan?
We tried this in CCP, and as I said, when Congress fielded their candidate where Melissa was supposed to win, this shows that Congress is not interested. Secondly, in ZP, Navilim ZP elections was there. Congress candidate got 2,500 votes. Our candidate got 2,400 votes. Congress candidate Pratima, after counting, after results, openly stated and made allegations on Congress leaders that they are responsible for her defeat. And she was not ready to contest from that constituency. So this shows that Congress is not interested in defeating BJP. Congress is the B team of BJP.
One minute.
Quickly. Yes, Rajan Bab, go ahead.
He said, we tried it in Panjim. To whom did they speak? They spoke in the thin air. We have a party, we have a party president. Once when our party president, I don't know whether it was on your channel only, he put a offer that we can have an alliance with AAP. They flatly refused it. And now you say you are trying? What tricks are you playing?
Okay,
1 minute. The AAP has been kept and made and prepared right from Delhi to destroy the Congress.
Okay. Tajan Bab, before I go to Subhash Bab and Radha Bab, tell me one thing. You are very vociferous about this alliance business in Margao. Do you believe today also that there should not be any alliance with Goa forward in Margao?
Who's
Tajan Bab?
asking?
Yeah.
Me,
Yes.
Again and again I am saying, it is not my opinion. I am defending the party decision. Either the party has to change its decision for me to keep my mouth shut. According to me, if we go in an alliance, there will be repercussions throughout Goa against the Congress party. And this has to be taken care of.
Radha Bab, you agree with Tajan Bab?
Yes, in fact, I would personally feel that for the next elections, there shouldn't be any alliance at all. Because the moment an alliance takes place, in Goa it's a very small state, very few seats. Alliance partners may get 2, 3, 4 seats.
And they
will tend to jump over wherever there is a bigger offer. So it is in the interest of stability and progress of Goa that one party, single party must get a majority.
Subhash Bab, when you look at, you must be very happy listening to all these voices that your party is comfortably there. You guys are putting up a united front and opposition is
No, absolutely. We are not worried about even if they put up a good alliance with us, because the way we have worked and the way we have
you are not worried even if the opposition becomes united?
Even if they come together like in the Panjim, or what they have called as Ponjekars or something, they have come together but they couldn't do anything. Just out of 35 putting up all their strength,
So
and including some of our
you cannot call 32% vote share nothing.
32% vote share. If you look at the other side, when all the parties come together and contribute to 32% and BJP alone goes with 68% remaining, then where is a contest?
Where is the contest?
Yeah.
Okay. Radha Bab, finally, when you look at these results, and assembly elections are probably 8 to 10 months away now. How do you visualize that picture?
See, the present situation favors the BJP very well, because there is a fragmented opposition, and a fragmented opposition with no tangible leadership. You can't see a leader in the Congress anymore. So with that sort of a thing, it's a tailor-made for the BJP to walk through with a majority under the present circumstances at the present time. But we do not know what will happen in the next 8-10 months, both at a national and a local level. See, of course, national level, Modi is there, BJP is strong. But that doesn't mean that things will remain. Economy, this COVID, all these factors will come into favor, into play. If the leadership of the Congress continues with the present set of leaders who are saying the defeat is collective responsibility, then I don't see any chance for the Congress. Because it is the leadership that has failed. Yeah. Leadership must accept, the leaders must accept their own failures. Don't say it is collective failure. It is a failure of Girish and Luisino. That has led the Congress to this particular disaster.
Okay. Tajan Bab, do you envisage any change in next 10 months, or you are saying this is how our party is going to behave, will continue like this only?
No. As I know politics, it is not static, because Dudar also, Radha also admitted. Anything can happen. And we are definitely building up to face the 2022 election with the sole aim of coming to power, provided some hera-pheri is not done and the trust of the people is not betrayed once again.
Okay. Surel, how is your party looking at it? You guys are gaining vote share, but it just doesn't seem like enough.
No, if Congress does not become a vote splitter and work for BJP, as we have seen, 10 of Congress's MLAs jumped to BJP. So if that is not done, we are in a good position.
You are saying you can take the space of principal opposition?
Yes, definitely. Not principal opposition, we can win also.
If this opposition gets its act together, you are saying, is there a matter of worry for you, or you guys are saying you are comfortable, you will be comfortable even after 10 months?
we are comfortable right now. We are comfortable for another 10 months, and we will be more comfortable after another 10 months, because with the kind of budget that we have presented, and if that implementation goes on, then people will find more they will find more relief and they will trust more.
So Rajan Bab, Surel, Subhash Bab, Radha, thanks a lot for joining me. I'm completely out of time. Thanks a lot for watching this broadcast. Keep watching. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Marching to new heights of development under the dynamic and young leadership of Dr. Pramod Sawant. A visionary leader, a meticulous administrator, tirelessly working on the dream to take Goa ahead. Goa Ahead is brought to you by the Department of Information and Publicity, Government of Goa.